Hello. Today we are going to be discussing adding and subtracting decimals. Our essential question for today is, how do you add and subtract decimals? Let's get started. Step 1. We need to line up the decimal points so that they are in line with one another. Step 2 is add zeros as placeholders when necessary. And step 3 is to add or subtract from right to left. So for our first example, we have 0.975 plus 3.8. We first need to line up our decimals vertically. So I will put 0.975 on top, and then I will add 3.8 on bottom, and I added 2 zeros here to help hold place values. Next, I will add from left to right. So 5 plus 0 is 0. 7 plus 0 is 7, and so on. And I end up getting a total value of 4.775. We'll try example number 2. I have 16.04 minus 5.716. So I first put 16.404 on top, and I have to add a 0 as a place value behind the 4. I then subtract 5.716 below, and notice my decimal points are lined up vertically, and then I subtract from left to right. Now, or from right to left. Now, we notice that 0 cannot subtract 6, so I have to borrow from 4 to make that 0 a 10. So 10 minus 6 is 4. That 4 has become a 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. We have to borrow again with that second 0, so that 6 will become a 5, and that 0 becomes a 10, so 10 minus 7 is 3. And then I have 5 minus 5 will be 0, and 1 minus 0 is 1. So my final answer is 10.324. One of our word problem examples is Mia is 160.2 centimeters tall. Rosa is 165.1 centimeters tall. How much taller is Rosa than Mia? So when I talk about how much taller, I know that I'm going to subtract the bigger number, subtract by the smaller number. So I'm going to take 165.1 and I'm going to subtract 160.2 from it. Remember that we have to borrow because 1 is smaller than 2, and that will become 11 minus 2, which is 9. That 5 becomes a 4. 4 minus 0 is 4. And then 160 minus 160 is 0. So it's 4.9. So Rosa is 4.9 centimeters taller than Mia. Our second word problem example is a chemist combines 0.17 milliliters of water and 0.49 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide in a beaker. We want to know how much total liquid is in the beaker. We see the word total. It lets us know that we are combining both of our numbers together, and when we combine together, that means addition. So I'm going to take 0.17 and I'm going to line up my decimals vertically and add 0.49. When I add these together, I get 0.66. Therefore, there is 0.66 milliliters of liquid in the beaker. Our last example problem is Isaac buys 2 bagels for $2.25 each. He has a coupon for $1.75 off. How much must Isaac pay? This is a two-part question, so we first need to find out what the total for the bagels is before his coupon. So 2 bagels, I'm combining them each, so 2.25 plus 2.25 gives me $4.50. So before his coupon, he paid $4.50 for his bagels. I now need to subtract the coupon from the total, so I will take $4.50 and I will subtract $1.75 from $4.50, and I get $2.75. Isaac will pay $2.75 for his bagels. All right, now we're going to look at the independent practice. Please start by answering the first word problem. All right, Alan bought a box of envelopes for $2.79 and a pack of paper for $4.50. He paid with a $10 bill. How much change should he receive? This is going to work like our last example problem where we have a two-step problem. First, we need to find the total that he must pay, which is $2.79 for the envelopes plus $4.50 for the paper. When I add these together, I get $7.29. I now need to take my $10 that he is paying with and subtract his total of $7.29 from it to get $2.71. So Alan will get $2.71 back. Please try example problem number 2. Matthew throws a discus 58.7 meters. Zachary throws a discus 56.12 meters. How much further did Matthew throw the discus? We first will take our 58.7 meters and we will add the 0 as a placeholder, and we will subtract 56.12 from that number. We do so, we get 2.58. So Matthew throws the discus 2.58 meters further. Please try the last example problem. Hector rode his bicycle 3.12 miles on Monday and 4.7 miles on Tuesday. How many miles did he ride in all? We know it all means to add. So we have 3.2 miles plus our 4.7 miles, and we added that 0 to keep our place value. We add them together. 2 plus 0 is 2, 1 plus 7 is 8, and 3 plus 4 is 7. So I have 7.82. Therefore, Hector rode 7.82 miles. Thanks for stopping by and watching my video. I will be happy to answer your questions when I see you in class next.